let's start the CSS. First of all, we want in the page that we want any changes that from here. I want this paragraph that you are seeing to be of different color. I don't want to see in black. I want some different color. So this can be done. Styling in CSS can be done by three methods. We will see one by one, all of them. So let's come to the first method of changing the color and styles of the paragraphs. So let's come to the code. Where is our that paragraph? Here is the paragraph that you can see. I want to change the color. So for changing the color, we have to use the attribute style equal to, and inside that the property is color, and then we have to give the colon. After that, to that property, what changes you have to make that you have to mention. I have to change the color to blue. After that, semicolon. So this is the attribute, style is the attribute, and inside that the value of the attribute we have to mention the property name, then colon, then what value you want to be given to that property. After that, semicolon. So let's save it and check it in the browser, or it's going to be reflected. Control S, refresh the page. So now you can see that the color of the paragraph is changed to blue. This is changed to blue. So this is one of the method for doing that. We can also change the font from here. So the property name is font size. Property name is font size. Then have to give the colon, and suppose we want to font size to be 30 pixels, then we have to write 30 px. After that, semicolon. Save it using Control S and then check it in the browser. Refresh the page. Refreshing the page. You can see it has got smaller. I want bigger size. Let's give it 60 value. And the second method is, first method was inline, and the second method is the general one, which it is applied to all the tags that we mentioned there. And this is written over the under the head tag and in the starting of the source code only, under the head tag only, not the body. So inside the head tag we use style attribute and type equal to text slash css, and of which tag, whether paragraph, heading, image, or anything, or any text, which tag we want to apply the style. Suppose we want to apply the style to the paragraph, so we use here p. We write here the property name and the value of that property. This is similar to the inline method of styling the text. First the property name, then colon, then value of that property, and then semicolon. Here only difference is there that of all the p tag will be changed to the color red. So as you can see, after refreshing the page, all the paragraphs is color changes to red, but here it is of blue color. This one is of blue color. This is because in the inline method we have mentioned it to be blue. See the paragraph that we have done in the earlier method of inline styling, we have done color equal to blue. This is the reason why this paragraph only is of color blue and other paragraph is of the color red. So the inline styling has got more priority than the internal styling. This is called and this is called the internal styling. Writing under the head part is called the internal CSS. So we have learned about the inline CSS and the internal CSS. Inline CSS is applied to a particular paragraph only, but the general CSS, which is the internal CSS, is applied to the all the tags that we have mentioned there. And this is the syntax for that. Thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.